I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making Kit Kats. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery conglomerate, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Like I said, today I'm making Kit Kats. This is at the request of AZDC Girl. If there's something you'd like to see me make, please let me know in the comments section. Now there's two ways to approach making a Kit Kat bar at home. You can buy some torte wafers, crumble some into a bowl, melt some milk and dark chocolate together and mix in the crumbled torte wafer, spread the mixture on 4 of the torte wafers, stack the coated wafers, cut the wafers in bars, pour some melted chocolate into a Kit Kat mold, put your bars in the mold and cover them with more melted chocolate. This process will produce a bar that's almost identical in appearance and taste to an actual Kit Kat bar. Your other option is to buy some sugar wafer cookies and dunk them in chocolate. You get 90% of an actual Kit Kat with 10% of the cost and effort. I'm pretty sure you know which option we're taking today. Don't get me wrong, I have nothing against spending time and money on something awesome. One of these days I'm going to show you how to make some amazing chocolate-covered cherries that literally take a couple of weeks from start to finish. If you want me to make the 99% Kit Kats, let me know. I'll be all over it. Today though, we're doing the easy but still tasty treat. Okay, let's make this happen. First, what do you need to create this? Don't worry about writing it down. Everything you need is listed below. You can also find this information at randymakescandy.com. Like I said, we're only using 2 ingredients today, sugar wafer cookies and chocolate. I've got vanilla cookies here, but you can use chocolate or strawberry or whatever tickles your fancy. Heck, use all 3 and make a Neapolitan Kit Kat. You'll also need a bowl for melting your chocolate, a spoon for stirring, a precision tool for dipping, and something like parchment or wax paper to put the Kit Kats on until they set. And that's it. Okay, let's make some Kit Kats. Melt the chocolate according to the directions on the package. I'm using dark chocolate here because it's been a couple of weeks since I've had dark chocolate and I'm kind of craving some right now, but you can use milk or white or whatever you'd like. Dip a wafer into the chocolate, ensuring full coverage. Put it on the parchment. You can just continue in this fashion and make a bunch of Kit Kat singles if you want, or you can put them side by side in 2s, 3s, or 4s so you can break off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Okay, these are ready. Let's try one. Here's the break. And slanchiva. Chocolate, vanilla, creamy, crunchy, very nice treat and so easy to make. You really should try this. If you enjoyed our time together, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell if you want to be notified when new videos come out. I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Kit Kats, as well as suggestions for what you'd like to see in future videos. I was thinking that the little bits that I end each episode with might be kind of corny. I'm okay with that though, as long as they're candy corny. I hope you'll join me next time. Bowl, melt some milk and dark chocolate together and mix. I'm pretty sure you know which option. Dang it.